Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Linkt account. In order to find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in linkt.com.au and then press enter. Now this will take you into the official Linkt website. You will be asked to choose your location, so go ahead and select your location and then the rest of the page will show up. You can click on the login button at the top right corner. Now this will take you into the login window. You can go ahead and enter your username and then tap on the next button. In case you can't find your username, you can click on the Find Username button. From there, you can either use your email address, your phone number, or your account number to find your username. Just type in your username and then tap on the next button. Then you will need to enter your password. Type in your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Linkt account. In case you forget your password, you can click on the Reset Password button to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how simple it is to log in to your Linkt account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.